Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a outgoing swap to share with you, and I'm also sending some birthday happy mail at the same time. So the lovely Kim Kelly contacted me and asked me to do a Easter swap, a ATC swap and a tag, I think it was, but obviously I've made a few other bits and sending out a few other bits. So first of all, I'm going to show what I'm sending for the Easter swap. So I had a couple of these. I thought these were quite cute to send out, so you can alter these or add them to a different project. So I'm sending that out. Then picked up this. It's one of those diamond paintings. Comes with the whole kit of the diamond painting. It's on a tote bag. I thought it'd be quite cute to send out, and she can have a go at doing that. So I'm sending that out. So that one. Then I've kind of packaged everything in this little like material bag. I do need to find a box actually to try and fit it all in. So I'm just going to take out what's in the bag. So you've got some of these pics in there. I'm going to send those to her. This is a cute little one. I don't know if she has a Easter tree or anything like that, but she can always sort of hang it up in her craft room. Yeah, so I'm saying, or she can add it to a project and send it out in Happymail. But yeah, so I'm sending that. Then there's some other goodies in here in this bag. Just try and take everything out and I can share it with you guys. Okay, so that's the bag emptied. Got a couple of these lollipops, thought I'd send those. Got this cute little plastic like carrot egg, and they've got some of those little polystyrene balls in there. Thought they'd be quite nice to send out. You can, if you get a little eyelet, you can make these into like little like charms and things. They're quite cool. Some wooden baskets you can alter, so I'm sending those. Some like foam stickers, some pipe cleaners in kind of like, I guess, Eastery sort of colours. This chipboard pieces, all spring, summer, that sort of. Thought it'd be quite nice to send those. Got this pencil case in the range, and obviously it's a bunny. And then you've got like a pom-pom. I thought that would be quite sweet to send. And then inside I've just put some of these really big pom-poms. Again, I thought they'd be quite good. You can, if you use like a needle on cotton, you can thread that through, and then you can make these into like charms and stuff and add these onto projects. Quite a nice way, or a different way, should I say, of using them up. And then some paper shred. Thought it'd be quite nice to send those out. So they kind of fit in there. I wonder if I can fit maybe these in there as well. Kind of fill it out. Put those in there. So that's the cute little pencil case, and she can use that. Or yeah, so I've got those. So that. This is the card I've made. I think I've shared this card previously on a different video, but it's really cute. Bunny, tree, all these little leaves. Just got a sentiment there, says "with love at Easter." So, and then I made an envelope out of some cardstock. So it's really cute. So I can send that. A Easter pad. These are really pretty papers in here. Not necessarily like, obviously the egg ones are more Eastery, but the other ones you could use for like spring, summer. That'd be quite nice on like a birthday card or something. And then obviously this one you've got spring. That one says Happy Easter. So yeah, so I've got that paper pad, some Terry's mini eggs, I'll send those. This is the tag I've made, cute tag. Easter one used some different stickers. That one says Happy Easter on there. I love this scalloped tag. I think that was from Panda Hall. I think that die was from Panda Hall. And then in here I've just made this kind of like little box wallet, which is holding my ATCs. So I'm just going to move these to one side and then I can share. So it just holds this cut part. I think I picked this up from a charity shop, this cut part, and then the foot as well, and then some stickers, got sentiment, really cute little girl dressed as a duck, she hold a bunny, and it says funny bunny there. Again, I think these stickers were from Poundland. Yeah, so I've just made this just to hold the ATCs, and some embellishments. So this side I've just put this bag on some glue dots, and then I did share these bees that I've made in a die cut video. I will leave the link to the die cut video on the screen here, and you can go and check that out if you want to. And then in this little pocket here is where my ATCs are. And yeah, it was three ATCs, and obviously they're all like Eastery themed. Yeah, and then I've just decorated this little pocket. I've put some charms on the side there, some ribbon and stuff, and I think there's some beads with her name on it. These again I've picked up from the range, I think, the beads. And then in the back I've just put some sequins, ribbon and some feathers. Really cute. And I love the way it just holds it in this pocket here. Obviously if you did one that was like 9 pockets, you could just fold it. There's enough room for it to fit, and you could just fold that and fit that in now. So yeah, it's really cute way to sort of send out an AT swap, or yeah, you can put other things. You could put a chocolate bar in there if you wanted to, but I love the way that it just holds that. And then I've just put some ribbon, and I will tie this bow a lot better in a minute, but yeah, a bow that holds it together. It's really cute. And then the last thing for the Easter swap is this stamp set. It's an Easter stamp set, and I thought it'd be quite nice to send that. It says "You Are So Bunny," and it's got all these different stamps, so I'm going to send that. And then the next few bits are going to be a bit of a birthday. It's her birthday in March. I think it's this, I can't remember the exact date, middle of March I think. So I have got it written down, and I thought as soon as I'm sending her out Easter, it'd be good idea to send her birthday bits as well. So I did make this cute little card. These are some digital papers, and I've just printed or digital images, and I've just printed those out, papers and stuff. Really cute with the 2 little images there. Just layered these up with some like foam dots underneath. Yeah, so that's my card. Then had these card bases, and they're like the pop-up cards. So this one says new baby, and this one says best wishes. I thought they'd be quite nice to send. And then the next little thing is this, I had this big badge, and I thought it'd be quite nice to send out a cute little way of sending out some birthday Happymail by sticking it on an envelope. So I made this envelope and just stuck it on, and then inside is a few little goodies. So I've got one of these magnetic frames. She can obviously add that. I mean, she could take the magnet off and use it for something else, and then add this to a project, but yeah, you could put a picture in there and stick it to like your fridge or something. So got that, got this cute little circus die set, got the elephant, the seal, this little tent, and then this like tiger and the banner. Really cute little set there. So you've got those dies, got this stamp set, got this beautiful like dress form here, shoes, bag. It says to someone special. I thought it was quite a nice little stamp set. Got this really thick, not foam, what is this? Like felt, but it's really thick felt. It's teacup. Quite nice if you're doing like an Alice in Wonderland kind of theme. That'd be quite nice to use on the project. These gem stickers. And then the last thing is these alphabet, and they're like quite thick alphabet stickers in these kind of like bright colours. I thought it's quite nice for summer, spring kind of thing. And they fit all nicely in this. Like I said, it's quite nice way to gift out some Happymail is by putting it all in a envelope. I don't know if that card's gonna, no, I don't think it is, so I will just put that on top. And then the last couple of bits is I crocheted these little like octopuses. We've got this cute little one. I haven't attached them to a keyring or anything, but if she wanted to, she could. But I just thought they'd be quite nice to sit on her desk or something. So I've done this really tiny little one. And then this like medium sized one, we're going to call it. And it's a multicoloured one that's just pink. And again, like I said, if she wanted to attach a jump ring, she could do that to the top and make it into a key ring. Or she could just put them on, like I said, her desk. So yeah, so I'm going to send those. And that's all I have to share with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, Kim doesn't have a YouTube, but she does have an Instagram, so please go and check that out. The links will be in the description. And I'd like to thank you all for watching. Have an awesome week, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.